Yeah, no, because if you sit him down, he could hit his head. No, why are you taking his shoes off?
He was coming off.
Oh.
Can I start down with him?
Yeah, that's fine. Watch your hand me, huh? All right, let him go.
Where's his ring? Hey! Move out of the way! It's time! Ultimate Champion! Get that!
Go. Alright, come on. Time to go inside. Let's go. Then he's doing a belly slide.
I did it on my back, laying down, and backwards.
Bless you.
And now Cindy's doing it on her belly.
Yeah, let's go.
See it? I want to try. Try.
Gino.
Really good picture.
Both of y'all lay down with Gino. You too, Cindy. Say hi, guys. Gino.